Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Plymouth Fury 3 Fastback. Great car, guys. I bought this from an older gentleman down in Tennessee. Good, solid Tennessee car. Car's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got a custom two-tone black and silver interior in it. Love this car, man. It's got a big block 440 underneath the hood. It was actually an original 383 car. It's got aftermarket heat and air. Beautiful car. Recent body up restoration. Kind of a different body style. I just really dig this car, and I'll tell you what, it's just a good car. I mean, I'd get in this car, turn the key, and drive it anywhere. Runs and drives excellent. We drove it a little bit while we were down there. Love the fender skirts on it. It's got the 17-inch, that Heritage, that Shelby style wheel on it. Just really a good looking car, guys. Another car that I think is just super cool. You don't have to, break the bank for it. If you're looking for something fun to drive, I think you'll love this car. It's got the original trim still on it, so you can kind of pick at some of that stuff. But the bumpers are new. Paint is slick as can be. This car has pretty black paint on it, guys. Again, it's different. I think it's just super cool. I fell in love with the car as soon as I seen it. Trim's nice. Great guy that we bought it from. Again, he just went through the car. There's a bunch of receipts in the trunk to go with it. Again, you look at the trim, and you can tell this guy just didn't own this car. He loved this car. Laser straight down the sides. You can see the flag waving in the paint. Good looking wheels on it. I really dig the fender skirts. Again, he's re-chromed the bumpers. You can see he's got the chrome tips on it. I think the skirts are cool. Kind of gives it that lowrider look. I love the wheels. Those are 17-inch aluminums. Real paint on the car. Again, it was a factory 383 car, but now it's got a 440 underneath the hood. It looks factory. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power brakes, does have electronic ignition, 727 torqueflite automatic trans, aluminum radiator with the shrouds. Said he drove the car everywhere. They've retrofitted it with a classic, this is called Classic Air, but it's heat and air conditioning. There's your fender tag. Pretty car. Sorry, that's just a little wax from the guys. It's the trim and stuff. Stainless on the car is very nice. See how nice that A-pillar chrome is. The glass is nice in the car. Looks like original mirror. You can kind of pick that maybe a little bit. Door handles are new. Again, this stainless and stuff is very nice on the car. And it's got this aftermarket two-tone. It's like a vinyl, kind of an ultra leather type feel. Those are the original sill plates. It's a bench seat. It's got a Grant walnut steering wheel. Really a factory dash. It's showing 33,705. He said that's 133. But of course that's not on the motor or anything. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. Left the factory AM in the dash. It's dual exhaust, 8 3/4 rear end, just a stock gear. It's a cruiser. Turn the key, get on the expressway, go have some fun. The trunk area here is finished. He's got LED lights. When you open it, they automatically come on. This is all the receipts on the restoration of the car. Again, he's finished this. Really just a cool car. It's nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice. And this thing is straight. Seats are nice. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. It's got the padded dash. That's a stock mirror. I have Jay fired up here. And I'll tell you, you don't have to pump the gas. Turn the key, fires right up. AC blows ice cold. This is a cool car, man. How straight that thing is. And that car's just got a great look to it. Gauges are all functional. Car sounds good. This car is just mean looking. I love it. Not powering up. Oh. I know it works. We'll check it. We'll have Steve take a look at it. Maybe we pop the fuse or something. You know, I know that works. I know it works. Blower motor does work. This is a cool car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, I love this car. Have a great day, guys.